Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and freeing 5 to 10 GB of space so the update installs cleanly. Once backed up to iCloud or Finder, make sure Wi-Fi is stable and the device is plugged into power. This prevents interruptions. Tap Settings General Software Update and press Download when the iOS 17 option appears. Do this now. Downloads run faster on a steady connection, and backups let you revert if something goes wrong. Once the update finishes and the phone restarts, walk through the setup prompt so iOS 17 privacy controls and permissions are properly applied. Open Settings to enable standby and configure live voicemail. These enhance visibility and call handling. Next, customize contact posters and adjust focus modes with notification filters to reduce distractions. Take a few minutes here. Configuring these features now shapes daily behavior and prevents repeated prompts later, making your device feel tailored to how you work and communicate. You're almost done. Restart the device and open Messages, Mail, Camera, and Photos to confirm app behavior and iCloud sync. If an app misbehaves, try reinstalling it or reset network settings to clear connectivity glitches. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in and that background app refresh is enabled where needed. If problems persist, restore from the backup you made earlier or contact Apple support. This avoids data loss. One helpful tip: safe restart often resolves performance hiccups after major updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.